Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Elevate the entrance of your living space with a spectacular home mat that not only welcome guests but also add a touch of elegance to your decor. These mats serve a dual purpose, combining functionality with aesthetics. Their quality and design are key aspects that stand out, ensuring they make a lasting impression. The remarkable variety of home mats available today allows you to select one that suits your style and complements your interior design. From intricate patterns to minimalist design, there is a home mat for every taste and preference. Whether you prefer a classic timeless look or a more modern and trendy feel, you will find a perfect match to match. Additionally, these mats are designed with durability in mind, capable of withstanding high foot traffic, ensuring your floors remain clean and protected. Furthermore, they came in various sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for your space. Investing in a spectacular home mat not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also helps maintain cleanliness and order in your living area, making it a small yet significant addition to your overall home decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.